Hello and welcome to Chewing Zombies, an animated blog that has little or nothing to do with its name.
Okay, so this one time I was going to this costume party dressed as Shredder from Ninja Turtles, and on the way I had to stop and get some wine. And so I'm at the supermarket and I'm in like my Shredder costume, looking, really intimidating and everything. And this guy comes up to me and yells, "Hey Batman, where's your sword?" Which was dumb because even if I was dressed as Batman, Batman doesn't have a sword. So I don't know what that was about.